Well, more than 3 months after a Michigan State Police trooper was killed in the line of duty, 2 people face criminal charges in connection with his death. 39-year-old Joel Popp died when he was hit by a vehicle on I-75 in late January. The driver of the vehicle that hit Popp has been charged, and Terry, a second person was also arraigned today as well.
Yes, Matt, Joel Popp and other emergency responders arrived on that stretch of northbound I-75 near Birch Run after a report of a car hitting a median or guardrail. The driver of that car is also charged in what the judge says is an interesting legal theory.
81-year-old Duncan Irving of Atlanta, Michigan faces 1 count of not using due care when passing a stationary emergency vehicle causing death. It was Irving's vehicle that investigators say struck 2 police cars and Michigan State Police Trooper Joel Popp, who was out of his vehicle working on another traffic incident. Popp was rushed to the hospital but died from his injuries. Popp and other emergency responders were on I-75 that January 24th evening as they were on the lookout for another vehicle that was believed to have hit some type of barrier along the highway. Popp and other police found the vehicle, which investigators say was being driven by 32-year-old Brooke Allen of Hazlitt. Allen faces a charge of operating a motor vehicle while intoxicated, causing death. Saginaw County Assistant Prosecutor Erin Majorana says other drivers had observed Allen driving erratically before her car came to a stop.
She was disoriented when they made contact with her. Ultimately, it was determined that she was under the influence of methamphetamine, very likely because this incident probably would not have happened if it not have been for her.
Majorana says Popp was placing flares on the roadway when Irving's vehicle came through and hit the trooper. Judge Terry Clark did refer to the charging of Allen as an interesting legal theory. Irving's attorney says his client is a Vietnam veteran, and Judge Clark set his bond at $75,000, cash surety, or 10%. Allen's bond was set at $50,000, cash surety, or 10%. Both Allen and Irving face up to 15 years in prison if convicted.
Joel Popp is survived by his wife and young daughter. Now, jail records indicate Brooke Allen has posted bond and has been released, while Duncan Irving remains in custody.